Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef mechado. Start by trimming fat and cutting the beef into uniform cubes for even cooking. Brown the meat in batches to build fond, then deglaze the pan with a splash of vinegar and soy sauce. Add tomatoes, bay leaf, and garlic, then simmer low and slow until tender. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and a touch of sugar for balance. Gather your ingredients and measure them before you start to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Cut the beef into 1 to 2 inch cubes so pieces cook evenly and absorb the sauce. Chop onions and garlic finely and prepare canned or fresh tomatoes for the stew base. Keep bay leaves and a little sugar handy to round flavors. This mise en place saves time and keeps the kitchen calm. Begin by seasoning and browning the beef thoroughly, then remove pieces so the pan stays hot for the next batch. Deglaze with a mix of soy sauce and vinegar to lift those brown bits, then add tomatoes, garlic, bay leaf, and enough stock to cover most of the meat. Simmer gently for 1 to 2 hours, checking tenderness and adjusting salt, sugar, or acidity to taste near the end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.